Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto. You would agree with me that the biggest challenge every crypto trader out there faces is getting the right signals. And I'm here to address that right in this video. I'm going to show you a simple but the most effective trading strategy using three magical indicators that can give you 100% accuracy. I did not say 99. I said 100% accuracy. If you watch this video right from the jump to the very end and you are patient enough to understand everything I'm going to teach, this information can change your life for good. You will be so professional, even more than the professional traders who claim to know it all. So watch this video to the very end and don't forget that this episode is duly sponsored by BITGET Exchange, renowned exchange, top 5 on CMC CoinMarketCap, one of the best derivative exchanges for copy trading. If you want to copy my trades on BitGet, the link is right there in the description of this video. Let's kindly proceed. Straight to the point, there are three indicators you need for this magical setup. I call it the ultimate trading hack. Three major indicators you need. The first here is the resistance and support dynamics, or what we call the support and resistance dynamics. This shows you a clear indication of the resistance zone and support zone. Fantastic indicator. The second on the list is the Chandelier Exit. The Chandelier Exit shows you the particular point where you need to buy and where you need to sell. And the third on the list is the CCI. The CCI basically shows you when an asset is overbought and also when an asset is oversold. In other words, it's an oscillator and a momentum-based indicator at the same time. Now, the CCI here at this particular point has an upper resistance and it has a lower support. The upper resistance is measured at 100 and the lower support is measured at minus 100. In other words, at every given point in time, it is said that the price of this asset, which is represented by this particular black line moving, will trade within the 100 and minus 100 zone. All right. When you see that, then you know that the asset is actually what consolidating. It is what ranging. And by trading statistics, you understand by now that every asset must trade at a trend at just 30% of the time. In other words, 70% of the time, the asset is going to what? Consolidate. This is how trend patterns are being formed. We're not going to talk about that right now. If you want to watch the video on trend patterns, the link is in the description of this video. So let's proceed, guys. Upper resistance 100, lower resistance minus 100. Now, how do you use this magical indicator? Simple. When the Chandelier Exit gives you a buy signal, ensure that the price of the asset is moving above either the 100 or the minus 100 particular point on the CCI. Now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Watch my mouse and see what I'm saying. You can see at this particular point, the vertical line that is moving, watch it, I'm moving it, and I'm going to move it to the buy zone. You can see at this particular point here, you can see that the CCI crosses what? The minus 100 to the upside. All right. And you also have a buy signal. Now, what is that telling you? It is showing you clearly that this asset, buyers have stepped into the market and they are willing to push the price upwards. The same thing goes to the what? Sell signal. All right. If you have a sell signal, ensure that the price of the asset is what? Falling. It's falling what? Below the 100 zone on the CCI. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. Let's demonstrate this. So it doesn't look like we're performing magic. Good. You can see the price gave us a sell signal here. Mind you, we already have our support and resistance, so we know the particular resistance we're about to break. But the price, the Chandelier exit is giving us a sell signal at this particular point here. Right? It's giving us a sell signal. Now, what happens? You can see clearly here that the CCI, the price breaks through the CCI from on top and cuts the 100 downwards. Cuts the 100 downwards. In other words, it's telling you that the asset is what? Oversold. Overbought, rather. Sorry. The asset is what? Overbought. And the price is about to what? Reverse towards the downside. Clear indication. You do not need rocket science to understand this. This is simple logic I'm showing you right now. A lot of persons will charge you for this, but it's of no point. I'm going to give it to you guys for free. With this magical setup, which I call the ultimate trading hack, you can make consistent profit for yourself on daily basis. This is real life. I want you to backtest this. Come back here to this word video and write I have backtested it on the comment section. Look, what I'm showing you right now, this is a giveaway to you. Go out there, use this setup and make consistent profit for yourself. You can see right here at this zone, we got a sell signal just right here. You see, we got a sell signal just right there, and then the price dropped to this particular point. Just look at, so if you had entered here at a 1-day time frame, honestly, you would have been making so much profit. So much profit. Now, how do you take your profit? Always ensure that you take your profit at the next support and resistance. In other words, if you are taking a sell signal, put your TP at the next support. In other words, when the price begins to come down, your TP should hit this support. That should be your take profit. And do the reverse for a buy signal. Very simple, guys. Very, very simple. So, guys, this is the setup for this week. I'm going to be making other videos. If you need membership into my VIP group where I drop signals on daily basis and teach, it's quite affordable. Send a DM. The link is in the description of this video. Every of my package is on discount right now. All right, guys, send a DM to get into my VIP membership to learn and get signals on daily basis. If you are not so patient to do this, all right, basically that's what you need. So guys, that should be the end of this video, but I'm going to show you how to set up your indicators right now. So guys, for the very first one, which is the support and resistance, you just simply go here, type your indicator, type support, and resistance, type support and just type support. It's going to come out, and it's this one here, this support and resistance dynamic, okay, by Lonesome. The code is 7384, this one right here. All right, having done that, you come here, edit the support and resistance dynamics to fit into the strategy, click on settings there, and then we go to input. Under your line style, you just change here to solid. That's all. It's supposed to be on dashed in your own, but change it to solid under the line style. Click on OK. All right, good. Then for the CCI, you come here, go to settings, click on style. Let's see if we need to change anything there. We don't need to change anything. Just change the input. All right. Yours is going to show 20 here for the length. Put it at 40 and then leave the rest. Put the length at 5 for the smoothing and leave that. All right. Good. So for the last one, which is the Chandelier Exit, just go there, put your settings. Simply just change the style. Untick the long stop start. Leave only the buy label and the sell label. Then for the buy label, change here the below bar, change it from absolute to below bar for buy label, and for sell label, put it at above bar. Remove it from absolute, put it at above bar so that you see what you are doing clearly. So guys, that's the end of this indicator setup. Watch out for my next video. I'm going to be posting more incredible videos like this that can help you scale up your profit on daily basis. And don't forget that this episode is sponsored by BITGET. Cheers guys, I love you all. Tomorrow is Monday. The weekly updates on BTC will be out, so do well to watch out for that video. I told you previously that BTC was going to hit 36k when we were at 40,000, and we hit 36k actually, and we're at 34,000 at the point of recording this video. What will BTC do next? You're going to find out in the next video. So do subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any vital information. Cheers, guys. I love you all so much. Have a wonderful week ahead.